this position. So this is not good position. So we give the delay according to the scale's moving speed. Give the delay to make sure the pair is almost at the center of the failure. So this is for the forward delay. Yes, of course, sometimes maybe some problem only 3 pairs, for example, get inside, but this approaching sensor gives 4 signal to the failure. But it's okay, it's no problem. For example, this one has no pair. The scale will detect the pure weight. So when the scale detects no weight, this nozzle will not fail any products. The third is product insufficient delay. This is for the product feeding in the hopper. We have a level sensor to detect the high level of the liquids in the hopper. So when the level detector has no signal, after the delay, the PLC will send a signal to the pump to pump product into the hopper. And when the liquid level detector detects high level of the liquid, the pump will stop automatically. The machine will keep feeding, and the liquid level is going down, and then the liquid level detector has no signal, and after the delay, the pump will start automatically. So here it's 3 seconds. 3 seconds. So that means when the high level detector has no signal, after 3 seconds, the pump will start to pump liquids in the hopper. Of course, you can change the parameter. The conveyor speed is for the scale's conveyor speed. Nozzle return delay. 那个灌装头返回延时是什么？或者退回延时是什么意思？我有点忘记。对，
灌装延时是吧？
不是，
第一个就是
应该是灌装头返回延时。我看一下
这个是吧？
嗯，
我刚刚写的是
有点忘记掉了。
哦，是提枪就是完成以后延时多久，就保证它枪头完全关闭，我再升起来。这个是
啊。So this nozzle return delay that means during the filling, after, for example, now the target weight is 10 kilogram, and after the target weight is reached, the filler reached target weight like 10 gram, and the nozzle will going up to return to its origin position. But maybe the nozzle is not completely shut off. So if the nozzle is not completely shut off, you raise up the nozzle. Maybe some liquids will spill outside. So this delay is to ensure the nozzle is completely shut off. Then after this delay, the nozzle raises up to its origin position. Reversal time. Reversal time is almost the same as it's for position as well. The pulse is pushed forward by this stick. So when the pail is pushed to the right position, now I'm going to operate manually to show you. So now I moved the scale forward. Okay, for example, now this pairs, okay, is not right. Move forward more. Yeah. So all the pairs is pushed by the standing stick. But if we want to start fire, we need to remove this stick back so that he will not give any influence to the weight. So the stick need to move backwards, reverse a little bit. So maybe at this position. So the reversal time is for the stick moving backwards so that he will not give any influence to the weight. The pail fading delay. The pail fading delay is for the sensor here. As we introduced before in last video, this sensor, the machine will start only this sensor and this sensor has signal. So if this sensor has signal, that means there are 4 pairs here, and the machine, and also the front sensor has signal. The machine will start to release pairs into the feeder. But we need a delay to make sure there are really 4 pairs, so it gives delay here because the pairs move on the conveyor. We need it sometimes. For example, the first pair pass by, he will take 1 or 2 or 3 seconds, and then the second pair. So this delay is to ensure there are really 4 pairs in the front. So this is also important. And there is number 1 enabled, number 2 enabled, and 3, 4 enabled. That means the nozzle now is enabled. If you disable number 2 nozzles, the number 2 nozzle will not fill products during processing. In case some problem with that nozzle, so you can disable it. So normally the state is at enable. And we go back to receipt. We go to the receipt setting. It also requires password. We will send you the password. So the receipt is the setting. Actually, it's the same as the filling setting. It's almost no. It's not the filling setting. It shows the here. It shows on the filling screen. It shows on the filling page screen. So here is the setting and the filling setting. Filling setting. Filling setting is for the nozzle raising up step by step, and the receipt setting is for this parameter. Receipt setting. This is the same as I explained. The target, the target weight, the press,